Hey there, and thanks for checking out my Python course. This course is designed to take you from a complete beginner to an expert in Python development. So why would you want to learn Python? Python is the Swiss Army knife of software development. It's easy to use, intuitive, powerful, and best of all, it has a large community of people behind it. You can build pretty much anything in Python, like simple scripting, general purpose programming, web development, game development, machine learning, and a whole lot more. But since you're here, chances are you already know this. So how is this course different? And why is it the best way to learn Python? This course is designed to give you theoretical knowledge, practical examples, as well as complete projects with various libraries. We start with the basics, learning how to write our first code in Python and learning all the language fundamentals. We will then tackle advanced concepts, after which we will look at various libraries and components. Finally, we will implement example projects that put in practice the concepts we studied. With this course, you get over 24 hours of on-demand videos, over 500 code samples and practical examples, tons of exercises, and practical projects for every library we study. I always keep this course up to date, so you're guaranteed to get more than what you're paying for. I've made some videos and sections available for free, so have a look at those as well. Python is an awesome language to learn, and I'm sure you'll have a great time learning it. So sign up today, and let's get started learning to build our projects in Python.